What's the meaning of conservatively? Conservatively. Conservatively.
Conservatively. Conservatively. Conservatively means being cautious and not taking risks, often referring to a person's behavior or actions that are based on traditional values and principles. It can also refer to an approach that prioritizes preserving resources and avoiding waste. In general, someone who acts conservatively tends to be more reserved and hesitant to make bold moves or changes, preferring to stick with what is already known or tried and true. This can result in slower progress or less innovation, but may also lead to greater stability and reliability.